guys, I changed my shirt because I did not want to get anything messy on my shirt. And guess what, guys? We're making slime. So I will show you what ingredients you need. Okay. So, I know. Glue. Sorry, guys. Hold on. It's really heavy. Be right back. Bye. And then you need shaving cream if you want to make shaving cream, like fluffy slime, and baking soda, contacts, or Tide. Mommy, can I use Tide?
What?
The Tide?
No.
Okay. I just asked my mom if I could use Tide, and she said no because not right now. But and we got this contacts. You can use any contacts that you want, but also you can use State Flow. Sorry, that covers my head. State Flow or anything else for making it. And if you want mint colored, you have to get green, blue, and if you have a mint colored, get it. But this one, it's too light. Let me see if it is. Hold on. There's this little wrapping on it. Here. This little wrapping on it, and I have to get it off. Hold on, you guys. Be right back. Hold on. Okay, guys. If you just want to make regular slime, you need the glue. This is the glue over here. I do not want to lift it up right now. But you need glue, baking soda, contacts, and any color you want. If you're just making regular slime. In the future, I will show you how you make butter slime, jiggly slime, ball slime, like bead slime, and I will teach you a lot of slime things. But first, we have to make the slime. So, glue always first. Sorry, I rolled away. I'm in a rolly chair. How about I move this stuff so you can see me? I make slime really quick, because I make it all the time. So, hold on. There we go. That was hard. It's brand new, but I used it a couple times, and this thing, you know how it covers it? It was in the lid, then it just fell out. So, let's get started. It's heavy, guys. It's heavy. Yeah, it is. Okay. Sorry, my hair is in my face. A little tad more. You can also use clear glue, but not on fluffy slime because shaving cream is always white. So you cannot use clear glue if you want to make fluffy. So, why did I put it over there? Am I supposed to put it over there? A little time more. That's good. That went out too fast. There we go. Ha! Glued on. I'm trying to be silly for you guys, so it'll be way funner. So I'm trying to put down the lid and it's difficulty. Okay, I'm not gonna, hold on you guys. I'm back, guys, and let's see. Now, by the way, you can always put the color in first or second, after you put in the shaving cream. So let's start out with before it. See here, that's paint because it's liquidy. You know, this got off of it because you just have to twist it. If it's brand new, your mom or dad or parents have to do it. Okay, I put 2 drops in that one. And also, I just gotta show you what you need to stir with. You can also use a spoon, a knife, like this, a plastic knife, not a real knife, and a spoon or a fork. Here. Sorry, you guys, it's a little bit. That's a little bit too much of blue, so we have to put in more green. You paint on me, paint. Okay, let's move it. That's so pretty. Looks like a mint colored. I cannot wait. And it's more blue. See how pretty it is, guys? See? That's the top of it. Let me see if you can see it. I'm sorry, you guys. It's white on the sides because you cannot mix it on the sides. I need a little bit of blue. One drop. Too much. A lot of paint. And in this process, you will get messy, but not on your face, because if little kids out there, if you're watching my videos, like if you're 5 or 6, you might want your parents to put the color in, because if it's food coloring, it will dye you. Like dye your hands, I mean. And I'm still mixing. Now it's time for the best part, shaving cream. Sorry, my mom is watching a cool video, like about, it sounds like shaving cream, so. Guys, let's see how it turns out. So pretty. Sorry about this. I'm sorry that it's like so long. And guys, I'm sorry if my videos are not that long. It's because I'm just starting out. Like when I'm more like into it, like more than like a couple videos, I will get it longer, like 10 minutes or 20. I'm sorry about that. Look how pretty that is, guys. How about a little more shaving cream? Wait, let me shake it up. I forgot. Okay guys, I'm sorry that it's taking so long, but look how fluffy it is! So fluffy! My arm is getting tired. So fluffy! I can die because it's so fluffy! It's so fluffy! That's fluffy, alright. We need baking soda now. Sorry. I'm trying to add a dramatic effect to it. So let's get moving. By the way, the reason why I put the glue back is because it was just too big and it was taking up too much space. And if you're wondering why I have a big gap in my mouth, it was because I don't know. Because I don't know. I forget what I was going to say. I'm sorry. Like already coming together. Hold on, you guys. I will be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. Now let's make some. I'm sorry, I keep on doing that. I'm just excited for my first time making slime with you guys. It's so fun. I died. And I also don't like springs. Okay, you only want to make put a little bit of contact solution at a time because you don't want to get so hard. And if you put it into like mud, if you put too much contact solution in at one time, it will get really hard. See, it's coming together. Whew, it's a lot of mixing. Look at the color, guys. Sorry, I will show you when it's done. I will be right back to show you my finishing touch. Also, guys, if you turn like stir too quickly, like really fast, it will become a really hard, and you don't want that. You want stretchy, nice slime. I will go and see. I will show you my finishing touch in a minute. Bye. In a minute. I will see you in a minute. I'm sorry, I get sidetracked. Hey guys, it's me and my mom from Kitty's Wacky World, but this is my Kitty's Wacky Slime World.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
I finally let her do it. I let the slime take over. Look what she's doing. She's making it like a crazy person.
Yeah.
She's a goofball, but I love her.
Yeah.
All right, Kate. Have fun. Can't wait to see the finished product.
Yeah. I'm sorry that I keep on like pausing and stuff. I will see you in a minute. Bye. Hi guys. I'm sorry it's not done yet, but look how thick it got. And look how pretty the color is now. You can actually see it. And look, it's coming into the consistency that regular slime would. So I just wanted to show you that. Oh, and also look how messy my hands are. But it's starting to unstick to me. Look how messy I am, guys. Don't worry. I will wash them after everything. Bye. See you in a minute. Hi guys, it's me from Katie's Wacky Slime World. So, this is my finishing slime. And if it gets hard, like when you first make it, you can add like baby lotion or any kind of lotion, but don't use your mom's or dad's, well, dads don't use lotion, but don't use your mom's expensive lotion. Ask her to...
What will happen if you do?
She will get mad. If you heard my mom in the background, she's trying to talk for me sometimes, but that's okay. I love her. She's my mom, so.
I love you.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. This contact solution fell. There we go. I'm back. So, and that means, don't use the expensive one that your mom got for her, or you, like, don't use the smelling, like, the best one that you can use right now is baby lotion. So, yeah, but you can ask your mom. If she says no, it's okay. Don't argue with her, so, but just ask her, maybe, and she will say maybe, yeah or no, because parents are like that. They have to, they also have to parent you. So, and also guys, on the camera, it looks lighter here, but it's a little bit darker, and that's it. So I have paint on me from it, and that's my slime. Let's see if I can make a bubble with it real quick. I'm gonna do a closing in a minute, but I have to do this. It made a bubble! But you could not see that, but that was that. So, bye you guys! I hope that you loved the slime in this video.